There are cars that represent speed, cars that represent luxury, cars that represent innovation. And then, there are cars that represent America itself. The 1955 to 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air wasn't just transportation. It was optimism on wheels. This is the story of the Tri-5 Chevy. Chapter 1: America After the War. When World War II ended, America didn't just survive. It exploded. Factories that once built tanks and aircraft were suddenly building refrigerators, televisions, and cars. The interstate system was coming. Suburbs were expanding. Families were growing. America wanted something new. Something bold. Something optimistic. Chevrolet knew the future of the automobile would no longer be about survival. It would be about style, power, and identity. Chapter 2: Chevrolet's Big Gamble. In the early 1950s, Chevrolet was losing ground. Ford was winning the sales war. And Chevrolet needed a miracle. So they scrapped everything. The decision: entirely new body, entirely new chassis, entirely new engine philosophy. It was risky. It was expensive. And it would change everything. Chapter 3: 1955, The Birth of a Legend. In 1955, Chevrolet unveiled a car unlike anything it had ever built. 1955 Bel Air highlights clean, restrained styling, egg-crate grille, subtle tail fins, two-tone paint options. It looked modern. It looked confident. But what was under the hood changed history.
Now here's a wonderful car.
Looks fine. How about a demonstration ride?
New Bel Air Chevrolet. Step right in.
Beautiful. Picks up nice. Sweet in the turns. Brakes act fast. No forward lurch. Wonder how come?
That's Chevrolet's new anti-dive braking control.
Now for the big test. Say, passes like a pro.
Like some factual information on the new Chevrolet now?
No thanks. Know all I have to. You know what?
Yes.
I like it.
The 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air introduced the 265 cubic inch small block V8. Why it mattered: lightweight, compact, overhead valve design, reliable, easily modified. Specs: 160 to 180 horsepower, optional 4-barrel carb, optional power pack. It wasn't the most powerful engine ever built, but it was the most important. Now a side-by-side comparison of a flathead versus small block. Chapter 4, 1956 Refinement and Confidence. If 1955 was Chevrolet's announcement, 1956 was its confirmation. 1956 design changes: wider grille, more chrome, gold anodized accents, more aggressive stance. America loved chrome, and Chevrolet delivered. Mechanical improvements: improved suspension tuning, stronger drivetrain, more power options. Engine options: 265 V8 up to 225 horsepower with dual quads. The Bel Air wasn't just stylish, it was fast for its time.
All right, we got Doug Schwartz out of Herman, Missouri in the 55 Chevy in lane 2.
Chapter 5, 1957 Peak Americana. Then came 1957, the most iconic year. 1957 Bel Air design: taller, sharper tail fins, gold trim accents, bold grille, jet age styling. It didn't whisper optimism, it shouted it. The 283 V8 and fuel injection. Specs: up to 283 horsepower, 1 horsepower per cubic inch, optional Rochester fuel injection. This wasn't just engineering, it was a statement. Chevrolet had arrived. Chapter 6, the Tri-5 goes racing. The Bel Air wasn't designed to be a race car, but racers had other ideas. Drag racing, lightweight body, powerful V8, easy engine swaps. The Tri-5 became a drag strip legend. NASCAR and stock car racing. Chevy dominance begins. Small block reliability shines. Motorsports cemented the Bel Air's reputation.
The pace lap of the Grand National Beach and Road Race. This 160-mile event will give a car more punishment in one afternoon than 3 years driving on the highway. Performance for roadability. Here they come. The green flag. The race is on. Coming through. Just look at that man drive. Goldsmith moves up to second place. Goldsmith is fast, but Owens is narrowing the gap. 35 miles to go. It looks like a race right down to the checkered flag.
Chapter 7. Hot Rodders and Custom Culture. The Bel Air became a canvas. Popular mods, chop tops, lowered suspensions, engine swaps, custom paint, air suspension. No two builds were the same, and that was the point. Chapter 8. Pop Culture Immortality. The Bel Air didn't just live on the road. It lived on screen. Cultural impact, American graffiti, Grease, album artwork, drive-in culture. It became shorthand for the American dream. Chapter 9. The Tri-5 Today. Today, the Tri-5 Chevy is more popular than ever. Modern builds, Restimids, LS swaps, Coyote swaps, Pro Touring setups. Some stay stock, some chase speed. All honor the legacy. The 1955 to 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air wasn't perfect, but it didn't need to be. It arrived at the exact moment America needed hope. And it delivered in chrome, steel, and horsepower. This wasn't just a car. It was the sound of a nation moving forward. Thank you for watching and like, subscribe and share which year is your favorite, 55, 56, or 57.
Custom steering wheel, custom interior to die for. Nice looking wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes. I mentioned a 700R Ford Trans, so it's got an overdrive automatic. I'll try to go around trying to open the hood on this one. Make it a little hard to move the drive. It's really a cool, beautiful. Wow, look at this. Late model power brakes, long tube headers, chrome, 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 aluminum radiator, aluminum polish, and AC polish, Optima battery. It's everything a guy could ask for. there's pictures of